on this trip I've definitely learned that it's so important to just trust God, and it's important to trust God with your whole life, whether it's just on a plane ride when you missed your flight to Madrid and you have 5 hours added to your trip, or whether it's climbing up a mountain for the very first time and running a half marathon which you've never even ran over 6 miles before.
It's been a different experience. I've gone on mission trips before where we've done physical services, but here we've worked with showing God through our actions and just the way that we love on people, and that's a refreshing way to see God work and see how I can try to help make a change.
I've really enjoyed it. It's given me the opportunity to really pour into some other people and kind of develop some of my discipleship skills, which I really appreciate. And then it's also just a lot of fun just doing life with people.
So going into this trip, well, I still am not a very good speaker in front of people, but I've gotten a lot better going on this trip. And I think that really carries over into my life with God, because I've had to practice it and practice talking in front of people. So I know that if I practice my walk with God, then it'll just get better and it'll get stronger, and I'll grow and grow and grow with Him. So I'm really excited to go back to the States and work on that.